Hi everyone, so today I have a new camera and a new editing device, so I can finally talk, but I can only pitch my voice because, just for security reasons. So I have a kind of huge package, I don't really know, but I ordered a bunch of squishies that I might have for trade. Okay, so I'm just opening the package, and I did order priority mail. So here's the invoice and slash note. So here are all these squishies that I got. So first here are the extras. So I'm just gonna push this aside for a bit, and I'm just gonna pull squishies out like I showed. So here are the extras, and she put it in this really nice plastic bag. They gave me this squishy, this donut squishy. Also gave me this Recollections washi tape, and then they also gave me this sticker, and it's so adorable. And then I got a deco tape, this cupcake little rainbow loom charm, and has a really cute bead, and I also got a cup eraser. So thanks so much for those extras if you're watching this. Okay, so next I have the squishies. Okay, so the first thing that instantly caught my eye was this Bear School cupcake. And if my camera will focus. Okay, so here it is. This, I can tell, is not original packaging, but I don't really care. It said it didn't have original packaging. And this is super squishy. The next thing that caught my eye was this Ayama Tokyo, or Tokyo Ayama milk bread bun. Oh, and by the way, this package, I think it was like from Japan or something. So here's the squishy. It just caught my eye how beautiful and realistic it looks. And this is super soft. Let me smell it. It smells really good. Next, I bought this for my sister. So I got this jumbo bun. And I know how she loves jumbo buns, jumbo squishy buns, that is. And this is super soft and squishy, so my sister will absolutely love this. Was this Sammy ice cream, and I've seen these a lot, and I actually did have it, but I did trade it away. So I just got a new one, and I might trade this too, but I just wanted to try keeping it for once and not actually trading it for a while. Next, I see this Hello Kitty bow, and this is super adorable, and it comes with a cell phone plug. And here's the squishy. See, so next I got for my sister was this King Banana squishy. And she saw these before and she really wanted them. I personally already have them, but I just got it for her. Let's see, so next I got this little jumping steam bun. And it looked a lot like a jumping steam bun, so I just had to get it. And this is actually a lot more softer and squishy than I thought it would be. And I really like this. Next, I got this Kiratori bun. And this was actually from my friend because I too have this. This is super soft, so she will absolutely love this. Next, I got this Hello Kitty orange costume, and I cannot believe that I got this in my hands because this is rare all over the place and I cannot find it anywhere. And I've been looking for it in a really long time. So this is the real authentic one. I was looking for the non-reproduced one. I also got this too in a trade, but my sister really wanted it, so I gave it to her. So I just decided to get another one, you know. At the time, I didn't really want it that much, so now, but after that, I really wanted to, so I just got another one. Next, I got this Sammy Heart churro. And I also traded this away as well, if you didn't see my trade offer video, but I just, I just really like it. Like, look at how pretty this is. Look at all those sprinkles, those details. So I just really like it. And this video is really long, so I'm just going to try to hurry up. So here is another Sammy squishy, and this is a Sammy donut. And this is really pretty. So these are really soft and Kitty squishy. And I just love how this store's rare squishies are actually not that expensive. They're up to like $8, but and this one is super soft. Now, I got this specifically just to trade, and I might not do a trade offer in a while, but I already have this, so I just wanted to trade this with someone since it's very soft and squishy, and I just love the quality of these. So, next I got this one, the headband, and this is super soft and squishy, and this was for my sister. The last one for my sister was actually this Minion cake roll. And she just absolutely loves Minions. Okay, and then lastly, I got this Hello Kitty cake roll. And I think this is the authentic one. I'm not sure if it's the reproduced one, but I know for sure it's not the newly reproduced one because that doesn't have like the green tag, the green sticker thing or anything. And then this is pretty, it's not that soft, but it's really squishy, and I just really like squishiness. So, thank you so much guys for watching. Sorry this video is very long. I said again, I'm not really good at editing, I'm really new at it, so I just keep my videos really long. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Bye everyone.